If you're looking to move to Ajax and you want to know the good area versus the bad areas based on the crime rate and what those crimes are, then this video is for you because I'm going to show you how to pretty much do your own research or where I get my information from. So you can go onto the Durham regional website and they have a hotspot crime map that you can actually go through. It's very interactive, so I'll show you how to use that, and we're getting into it right after this. Hey, what's going on? My name is Brad Goetz and I'm a local realtor here in the Ajax area. So if you're looking to move here and you have questions in terms of what the areas are like or the crime rate, this video is on crime rate. But if you just want to get an idea of what it's like to live in Ajax, then this video will help you determine that. And if you go through my YouTube channel, you'll see other videos that I've done on Ajax to help just paint a better picture of what it's like to live here. This video, I'm going to be focusing on the crime rate, and I'm using the Durham regional website, the Durham Regional Police website, for you to be able to see the crimes, what are they, and how often they happen. You'll be able to see the hotspot little dots on the map, so you can see areas that have a lot of, like a higher crime rate. I have people reaching out from all over the world, and this is one of the questions I get asked all the time: how safe is the area? So this video will help answer that question. If you're looking to move here, I absolutely love it when people reach out, so you can call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you, and I'm here to make your move and relocation go so much easier. If you're enjoying the video, like it. It helps me just know people are enjoying what I'm putting out there, and then it helps YouTube put my videos in front of other people. And then also subscribe to the channel if you have not already. If you have subscribed in the past, don't subscribe again because it will actually unsubscribe you. I hope you enjoy the video. For this one, we're going to go small, and we'll do a screen share, and I'll be able to get into it right now. So let me shrink down.
Disclaimer, my apologies for the poor sound. Remember, I'm a realtor, not a video expert.
So we're on the Durham Regional Police Crime Mapping Tool website. So if you just Google Durham Regional Police Crime Mapping Tool or go into the Durham Regional Police website, you can find it there. And it's just an interactive map, so you have to check the disclaimer that you've read their little verbiage up here. And then you have two options. You have the crime indicators, which show you the city as a whole for Ajax in this video, and it lets you know the videos. It lets you know the crime statistics over so far this year. It lets you know the number of assaults, robberies, like pretty much any kind of crime that can be committed. It puts it on here so that you can kind of see it, but then they also forecast it. So based on the historical data and the population growth and everything that's coming through, how they foresee everything going through. So it's useful on that. So we'll start here. So it's a little slow, but we'll get through it. So you can, by default, because it's Durham region, they select all areas. So for this video, we're focusing in on Ajax, so we'll use Ajax numbers. And you can select the time frame. So it gives you different options there when the computer's not so slow. It'll give you different options. Pretty much different options there. But then for this, we'll just go based on as of last month's numbers. Let it catch up to us here. There will be numbers in here. They will come. So I guess we'll talk about the graph first. So it's a bar graph, and so the yellow bar is last year's cases, and then the green bar is so far this year's cases, and it goes based on the different months, so that they're having the comparison of current year to previous year. And then they have this red bar graph in here as well, which is kind of like the variance to see how it's been going as a percentage. So you can see that November of 2019 there was 22% more assaults. So that's kind of what this means. Still not up there. Crazy. And then here's the assault forecast. So based on historical data, population growth, everything, kind of how they see it trending. And so that's kind of like the good thing. It lets you know, what are they expecting to happen. So for July, they're expecting to go down a little bit and then just stay flat. But then once the actual numbers come in, they do update that. So auto thefts, and you just click on the different things, and then the bar graph here does adjust. I have no idea why these numbers aren't, but it'll tell you pretty much as of last month, the number of assaults, the number of auto thefts, the number of break and enter. So that was the crime indicators map. And then here is the more specific one. So if you're looking to move to Ajax and there's a specific house you like, you can put the address or find the house address on this map, and then you can kind of see the area that this house is in. How are the crimes? What are the crimes? Is there a lot? Is there a little? So it's a very useful tool for you to be able to see all of that. So by default, they just go over the last few days, but you kind of want to see a little bit longer of a time frame, because you might just have the neighborhood criminal on vacation for that week, which would make it lower. So we'll just go based on time frame. We'll start from January 1st, and then we'll go to June 4th. And if you've watched my Oshawa or Whitby crime map, you'll notice that it's the same date. I did a batch record so that all these videos can be uploaded. For those who have ever done videos before, they're a lot of work, so I just try and do some shortcuts. And then you just click the see results. We'll focus in on Ajax. And then, so you'll see like the crime indicators map. And then the cool thing is, once you zoom in, those little dots, which are color coded based on the different crimes that have happened, actually turn into symbols. So it'll be like a break and enter symbol, an assault. This one here is damage of less than 5,000. This one here is theft of less than 5,000. This one here is a gun, so it's a robbery, and it was a theft of shoplift, and then theft shoplift. So there's just different things that happened here so far this year. So it just gives you an idea based on the area. So obviously when you're looking at an area, the more dots you see, or the more symbols you see, it means that there's been some activity within that area. So if it's an area that has like a lot of different things, then that's something that you should be aware of if you're going to move there. And that's the purpose of this video, is just to show you how you can do this research so that you're looking at a house, you can see exactly how that house is. I hope you enjoyed it, so let's go big again. Well, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like it. If you forgot, subscribe to the channel. It helps me know that just people are enjoying what I'm putting out there. I hope the video was useful in terms of being able to see the areas within Ajax and how safe they are, or what kind of crimes are actually happening in that area. I have people reaching out from all over the world, and I absolutely love it. So if you're looking to move to or from the Ajax area, or pretty much in the surrounding area, be sure to call, text, email, the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm here to make the whole move and relocation go so much easier. Thanks for watching, and until next time.